The question that I get asked most often is, which is your favourite book in the series? Oh, that's easy peasy, right? It's this one, Unleashed. It's got a great story, so exciting, with loads of funny bits. But then there's Rocket Rider. I mean, that's proper nail biting. So yeah, definitely Rocket Rider. That's my favourite. Yeah. Or this one. I do quite like the original Spy Dog. I mean, that kicks it all off. So that's probably my favourite book in the series of all time for sure. Except for Danger Island. I mean, evil baddie, and it made me cry. So Danger Island is the best one. Oh, but hang on, my all-time favourite, the real 100% favourite, is probably Spy Cat Blackout. I mean, wowzer. I so enjoyed writing it. There's a secret agent cat, it's so cool, and the chase at the end, so funny. So yes, Blackout is my absolute #1 favourite of all time. Well, unless Gunpowder Plot. I mean, that's exciting. And Treasure Quest takes a bit of beating. So, yeah, that's easy peasy. They're both my all-time favourites in the series for sure. 110%. But then there's Secret Santa. I mean, what's not to like about the Christmas edition? And Spy Dog Super Brain. So many twists and turns. Yeah, that's definitely my favourite.